Okay, so quickly out of the box. Here's the back. It says up to 150 PSI. It's kind of weird, but okay. Must be a carrying bag. Little tips. Chargers are Type C. Some instructions. See if it has any power in it. Okay, that's something. 0 bar. Motorcycle for balls. Bicycles. You set the pressure. It's got a flashlight. Oh, it's got a flashlight. It's not really bright. We'll have to check it out. See what it does.
To show you this working, but I'm not sure. I guess it came dead because I've held the switch and everything and it doesn't come on, so I'll charge it. Here's your changing of items. It's a flashlight as well. It's got your ports on the end to plug in and charge. Oops. Comes with several different tips to charge different items. Here's your tire pressure charger, and here's your cable.